Okay, let's just dive right into this explainer and meet the tireless, absolutely brilliant digital coworker you honestly never knew you needed. Look, if you're sick and tired of staring at a blank screen, just agonizing over how to write that perfect email, or if you're constantly buried under an absolute mountain of messy meeting notes, well, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're unpacking Claude. And don't worry, we're tossing all that confusing, high level AI jargon right out the window. I want you to imagine we're just getting to know a brand new, magical office buddy. It's kind of like having a super smart friend sitting right next to you who literally loves doing all your boring homework. So here is our adventure map for the day. First, meet your smartest coworker. Second, how to talk to Claude. Third, writing the perfect email. Fourth, the magic memory box. Fifth, summarizing messy notes. And finally, number 6, office superpowers. Section 1. Meet your smartest coworker, Claude, your digital thinking partner. Now, we all know the pain of tedious office work, right? It's the worst. But to really get what Claude is, think back to being 10 years old. You've got to clean your disaster of a bedroom, but all you want to do is go outside and play. Now imagine a friendly robot just appears and says, hey, you figure out where the toys go and I'll fold all your laundry and make your bed in 3 seconds flat. That is exactly what we're talking about here, just, for your actual job. What if you didn't have to tackle the boring stuff alone? So Claude is a super smart digital thinking partner. And notice those 3 specific words: helpful, harmless, and honest. It's really important to think of Claude not as some complex, intimidating computer algorithm, but just as an enthusiastic, incredibly smart coworker who genuinely loves helping you think through problems. It's built from the ground up to follow the rules, give you honest answers, and be ridiculously helpful. Basically, you bring the creativity and the big ideas, and Claude acts as your partner to do the heavy lifting. Moving on to Section 2. How to talk to Claude, the 3-step framework. Because honestly, the secret to getting Claude to do what you want is just knowing how to ask. And this simple 3-step framework is your golden rule. Step 1, you set the stage. Tell Claude who they're playing, like pretend you're a marketing expert. Step 2, you define the task. Give them the action, like write a blog post. And step 3, you specify the rules. Give them the format, like make it funny and keep it to 1 paragraph. Just like explaining a brand new game to a friend, you're going to get the absolute best results by giving Claude clear context, a specific action, and a few formatting rules. Section 3. Writing the perfect email. Putting the 3 steps into action. All right, let's try our first tutorial and see how this framework completely defeats the dreaded blank email screen. Let's break down the perfect prompt using what we just learned. I'm a project manager. Okay, that's step 1, setting the stage. Write an email explaining a 2-week delay. Boom, step 2, the task. Keep it professional but apologetic. And there's step 3, the rules. By combining all 3 of these into one natural-sounding sentence, Claude instantly drafts a thoughtful, perfectly pitched response. You just type that in and your email is written. No more staring at a blinking cursor for 20 minutes. But, hey, quick aside here, and this is a really important reminder. Treat first drafts as starting points. Claude is a conversational partner. So if the email Claude writes feels a little too stiff, you don't have to start from scratch. Just reply to it. Say, hey, make that a little friendlier. Or actually scratch that, make it shorter. You can just chat back and forth to tweak the tone until the email sounds exactly like your own voice. Remember, you are the director here, and Claude is your eager actor. Section 4. The Magic Memory Box. Understanding Claude Projects. Let's level up a bit and explore a feature called projects, which honestly, I like to call Claude's magic memory box, because this is where things get really fun. A project is literally like a dedicated desk or a special folder where you can drop background files. Usually when you talk to an AI, it kind of has amnesia. It forgets everything the next time you start a new chat. But with projects, you get persistent knowledge. You can drop in your company's rulebook, your past emails, or your team's style guide into this memory box, and Claude won't forget them. It'll remember all those rules every single time you chat inside that specific box. And the sheer scale of this? It's mind-blowing. Claude can instantly read and remember a 500-page stack of papers to find exactly what you need. Think about handing a 500-page book to a 10-year-old and saying, hey, go find the paragraph about electric cars. I mean, that would take them days. But instead of getting overwhelmed, Claude speed reads massive amounts of text in this magic memory box almost instantly. Section 5. Summarizing messy notes, turning chaos into clarity. So the crucial point here is how we can use this exact memory box to conquer one of the absolute worst office tasks in existence, summarizing messy meeting transcripts. Here's your step-by-step tutorial. Step 1, open your dedicated project, your Magic Box. Step 2, upload that giant chaotic transcript from your 1-hour Zoom call. And step 3, just ask your smart coworker to organize it. You literally just type, Claude, read this giant transcript and give me the top 3 takeaways and a list of who was supposed to do what. And the transformation is incredible. You start with this chaotic, messy block of raw text where people are talking over each other, saying and every 5 seconds. And then Claude takes that absolute gibberish and hands you back a polished, beautifully readable action plan with neat bullet points. It is honestly like pouring muddy water into a filter and getting a glass of crystal clear water out the other side. Pure office magic. Section 6. Office Superpowers, Artifacts, and Connectors. Now let's explore Claude's absolute superpowers. And look, I know these sound technical, but I promise you they are incredibly easy to use. First up, artifacts. An artifact is a dedicated window where Claude hands you a finished piece of homework, totally ready to use. Think about it. Normally, if you ask an AI to write a long report, it just dumps a massive wall of text right into your chat window. Then you have to highlight it, copy it, paste it somewhere else. It's a hassle. Instead of burying that report in the chat, Claude creates an artifact. It generates a clean, beautiful, finished file sitting right next to your conversation that you can instantly download or share. And check out what these artifacts can actually be. Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, flowcharts, slide decks, even web pages. You can literally say, Claude, make me an Excel spreadsheet tracking my monthly budget, and Claude will magically generate it and build it right before your eyes. You don't even have to open Excel to build the template yourself. Claude just hands you the finished file. It's a total game changer. Next up, we have connectors. Connectors are basically magic bridges that link Claude directly to your other office tools, like Google Drive or Slack. Imagine your digital coworker having a secure private bridge right into your digital backpack. Instead of you having to go into Google Drive, hunt down a file, copy the text, and bring it back to Claude, you just use a connector. You say, hey Claude, look at my Google Drive and find the marketing plan from last week. Claude safely walks across the bridge, reads your file, and answers your questions based on your actual real-life work. And to put that into perspective, think about how much time we spend manually clicking around. 80% of our time is usually spent just searching for information, digging through nested folders, trying to find that one old Slack message. When you let Claude safely bridge into your tools to do the heavy lifting, you'll reclaim a massive chunk of your day. It completely flips the script, reducing all that tedious searching down to that tiny 20% slice of just asking Claude a question. But as we wrap things up today, I want you to focus on a really vital reminder. Claude is designed to be a collaborator, not a replacement. The best results always come when you bring your own expertise. And this is so absolutely crucial to remember. Claude is your buddy, your assistant, your helper. But at the end of the day, you are the boss. You are the human expert who actually knows your business, knows your clients, and knows your goals. Claude is simply here to amplify your own amazing skills, not to do the thinking for you. You provide the vision, Claude just provides the speed. Which leaves us with one final exciting question for you. What is the very first boring chore you are going to hand over to your new digital coworker today? Are you going to finally have Claude draft that awkward email you've been putting off all week? Or are you going to build a magic memory box to summarize that messy 1-hour transcript? Well, your magic office buddy is ready and waiting right now, so go open up a chat, remember your 3-step framework, and give it your first task today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, happy collaborating.